Hey guys, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. I'm on my way to Family Dollar. It's cold this morning, but I'm going to get out and see what I can get. I need a few more items for my inventory and for Easter. So if I can get some footage in store, I'll show you guys what I'm seeing. And yeah, so come along with me. All right, let's get it. guys, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel, and in today's video I want to share with you my Family Dollar haul, and everything I got was $3 and under, and I'm going to show you guys some footage of things that I found in the store. They had some cute LOL stuff that were 50% off. They had these like gift sets. They have a watch that was $20. That one didn't ring 50% off. Then they had these like designer, these boxes where, you know, they can design clothes on dolls or something. It was really, really cute. And then they had the advent calendar that was $32. It didn't ring up 50% off. So the stuff, so today was a $3 and under day. Most of my stuff was $2 and $1. So first I'm gonna start with, these weren't these nuts. I always treat myself for shopping, working so hard. I get some cashews. These were probably the most expensive things I got. And then whenever I can find the pound cake, you used to be able to get these at Dollar Tree a lot, you know, when they were $1. But so whenever I can find these, I get these and I'll put them in the freezer. They're $1.25 now. They were at, so I got 2 of these at Family Dollar. You want to make that strawberry pound cake in a hurry and you don't want to make it yourself, that works. Okay, now these were some cute items. I love scarves. So these rang up at $1. I got one in the blue and one in the mauve. I get these every year. And then these are cute for the little girls. I think these were $2. You get gloves and a unicorn hat. It's really cute. So these were 2 unicorn sets. So I got 2 of these. I got the only 2 that they had. This Family Dollar, they're so nice. They know who I am and they just let me film in there, and let me take my time and shop and make sure that I'm in there like designing and color coordinating and putting outfits together while I'm in there. Okay. And then these were cute. I like these a lot. I love to write. So they have these baby fat activity sets. What is it called? It's an 11-piece set. And it was $7. These rang up as $3. These were nice. Let me bring up, so I got these were the colors I like. I like the black. So I got 4 in this black. So it has, you know, it has a notebook and ruler and pencil case and notepad and pencils. These were cute. And then when I was leaving, one of the employees, she came in and she says, "Ooh," she said, "you got a lot of those." She says, "They must be on sale." And he was like, "No, they ran up $7. And no, they were scanned, because I scan everything. So they're scanning 3. I said, that's the only reason I got them. I said, I left some other ones there. And then they only had 2 in this color. It's pink. So I got those. So that's, I got those. And then, they had some little Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse, a little plushies, but they were $5.50, so I didn't get those. And then this little LOL lunchbox, totally QT, it says. The price says $6. This rang up $1. So if your kids need that. Then this activity set here, this is, what is this called? Oh, surprise secret diary. I guess I like to write. I like kids to write. And it had a tag on it, $5. This ring up $1. This prize diary, $1 each. Coloring activity, LOL. A lot of different. So cute, $1. And this is a glam accessories kit. This rang up $2.50. This was a 50% off. Includes eyeshadow, lip gloss, and more. $2.50. This is a glitter body art kit. Create custom glitter tattoos. $2.50. And then I got another jumbo word puzzle search book. And I got them another activity book, another LOL. And so these were like $1. These were $1. Okay. And also look out for, I think I did a haul on this, my Dollar Tree. You get one of these LOL bags. They had like some LOL like bags and backpacks and stuff like that. They were still ringing up full price, so I didn't get them. So, you know, look, they got some nice backpacks in there, some LOL stuff. And also look out for they got the LOL cereal. It's back out. I already got mine from Dollar Tree, but they also have some, they had some in my Family Dollar. So check Dollar Tree as well. Dollar Tree is getting their LOL cereal back in right now, okay? All right, so that's everything that I got today. So just want to share with you what is going on out there. You still need to get stuff, cute stuff, on a budget to build your inventory, to resell online, put in your Easter basket, your gift baskets for birthdays. All of this stuff can come in handy for birthdays and stuff like that. And I like to get stuff like this to back as a backing on my gift baskets. So that's why I always like stuff like this. Sturdy things. Okay guys, thank you so much. I appreciate your support. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the tribe. And hit that bell notification so you'll be notified every time I upload new content. All right guys, thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom.